Hey, my name's Sam. My name's Sam. 2024. Wait, no, I don't mention the year. My name's Sam. I did the gap year at Mount Tamborine. Okay. Hey, my name's Sam. I did the Camplife Gap Year at Mount Tamborine in 2024. The reason I applied for Camplife was because I was looking for a gap year experience. Camplife is offering a lot of great discipleship opportunities, a lot of ministry opportunity, and also a lot of service opportunities. It's very practical ways of showing a Christ-like manner of hospitality. It's a paid program, it's residential. I was given a place to live. It's just a lot of really great opportunities and reasons that I applied. Yeah, so moving to Tamborine, it was really great. Like, there's so many lookouts, so many waterfalls. There's some right on site, even some just next to it, walking distance away. The house I was at, I was living on the back of the national park. You could see Brisbane City from the backyard. It was just such a beautiful area. So the great thing about Camplife is that there's not necessarily always just a typical day of what we're doing. There's a lot of different things we do, like we'll be doing devotions together, we'll be able to explore God's word, we can discuss with each other what we've learned. We also have practical ways of serving our guests. We could be in the kitchen, we could be doing some housekeeping, a lot of maintenance around the place, just trying to keep camp in tip-top shape, running smoothly. And also a huge part of what we do is our connection to ministry, particularly through our church partner. We've had a lot of opportunities to share, be a part of their youth ministry, be a part of disability ministry, and becoming pretty involved in the church overall. Some days we would be doing expeditions, like we might spend a few days on a bushwalk. We've done a canoe trip, Brisbane Valley Rail Trail, bikes. There's just so many different kinds of days that we did. It's really great to have a wide variety within your job, and that's what you get with Camplife. I think one of my key highlights for Camplife would definitely be our trip to Cambodia. We went over there to run a camp for a lot of missionary kids, mostly English-speaking kids, as a lot of the staff at the campsite in Cambodia didn't speak English, so we had the opportunity to go in there and to help them out. It's basically a big old youth camp. Great highlight for me. I had a few unique challenges as a leader that I was able to use the skills I'd learned in Camplife and really be able to make a difference. And it was a really great growth opportunity for me. I learned so much from it, and it was just a really fun experience as well. If you're someone who's thinking about or considering applying for Camplife, I would encourage you to do it. I think it's worth it. If you're not sure what you want to do straight out of school, maybe you've got a uni offer but you're not sure if you can do that yet. If you want to join the workforce but you're still a little bit unsure, I think this is a really great opportunity to harness some skills, to learn a lot about ministry, just being in the workforce, learn a lot about camping, learn a lot about yourself and about God. And I think those are all some very valuable skills to take forward, and I think you'll be better off for it.